Index funds versus stocks. Two simple choices, but this decision can define your financial future. Most people think picking the right stocks is the fastest way to build wealth, but the truth is, most people don't beat the market, they lose to it. Let's simplify this. Index funds are designed to track the market. Instead of choosing one company, you invest in hundreds at once. One fund. Instant diversification. If one company fails, it doesn't matter. The others carry the weight. You're not trying to win big. You're trying to win consistently. Now compare that to stocks. When you buy a stock, you're betting on one company. If you're right, returns can be high. If you're wrong, losses can be painful. Stocks require time, research, discipline. You need to understand the business, the numbers, the risks, and most people don't do that deeply enough. That's why index funds outperform most investors over time, not because they're exciting, but because they remove mistakes. So where should you invest? If you don't have time to analyze companies, if you don't want to constantly track the market, index funds are the smarter choice. They're simple, they're efficient, and they work. But stocks are not bad. If you understand how businesses work, if you can stay calm during volatility, and if you're willing to learn, stocks can help you outperform. The key is balance. Use index funds as your foundation. That's your long-term wealth builder. Then, if you want, use a small portion for stocks. This way, you grow steadily while still having the chance to do better, because investing is not about chasing quick wins. It's about avoiding big mistakes. The people who build real wealth are not the smartest. They are the most consistent. They stay invested, they stay patient, and they keep things simple. If you take one thing from this, let it be this. You don't need to be perfect to win in investing. You just need to avoid being wrong too often. And if you want to learn how to think about money the right way, subscribe and stay with me.